Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. Firstly, open Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type iOS Launcher and then install this free app from this developer. Following that, choose Open. Now click on Allow, then allow only while using the app, allow again and tap Home button. Over here choose Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then choose Default Apps and tap on Home app. Over here you need to tap on iOS Launcher, select Got it and OK. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my DOOGEE. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!